Hey, my name's Michael from Project Malin, and I'm going to be showing you a quick rendition of how to use the app as it stands right now in its version 2 prototype. So to start off, you'll have to sign up and create a user. We're going to use a dummy one, tommy@gmail.com, just for demonstration purposes. So you'll see that we have a bunch of recruitment tries, but for the purposes of a demo, we're just going to create a new one. And you'll see it right there. So the first step in this process is for me to actually create an application form for you. And this is the outward facing form that you will share with your applicants. You can see an example of one here in Project Malin/form. This is straight HTML, which means that it's completely editable and completely changeable to your specifications. So the second step in this process is the mark applications section. So after you've collected all your submissions, you'll see all of them listed here. And then through this interface, you can mark, reject, accept applicants, and also add in comments as well. Now the third step in this process is for you to input the interview slots that you've booked with the USW booking system. So these are each of the rooms and each of the availabilities that your interviewers have within the society to actually interview people. After that, you're going to send a shortlist email, and this is to all your accepted applicants. And you'll let them know that they're going to the next stage and ask them to pick an interview slot out of all the ones that you inputted in the last step. So you'll see an example of what they will see. They'll receive a key code. Once they put that in, which is their applicant ID, they'll be able to select from the list of available slots that you've entered. So after you've done that, you'll be able to jump into step 5, which is reviewing the interview allocations. After everyone's submitted their preferences, you can see them all here, and if you choose to, you can also individually change each person. At the very bottom of the page, you'll be able to see how many people are put into each slot. And after that's done, you'll be able to send your confirmation emails. And that's an email telling every applicant who is moving to the next stage when their interview is, where it is, and what time to get there. The email template is completely editable by you, so you just have to tell me what you want and I'll be able to build that in. And finally, step 7 is a very similar thing, but for rejection emails.